Galaxy Pavilion. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The virtual game rooms.
Dance Dance Revolution.
VR stuff. And they have stuff here. They have a halo. Uh-oh, he found it. He found it. He found it. Do again. Do again. This called, it's called Step Mania.
See, this is how us old people do it. And this is how the kids do it. You didn't need me to do the
Oh, yeah. Oh, he's cute. He's so cute. He looks really scared.
Hey Daryl, fishing contest. Shinity jumps.
Oh, snap. They be shooting.
We are.
There's another one. The Beat Hero.
Ooh.
Stuff where you can buy. Oh my gosh, look.
You can get excited. Oh my. That's been a while for that one.
I like these.
1,500 tickets get you a Simon. Can I just buy
this is like air hockey. What is this one?
It's like a 8-person Pac-Man.
Oh, snap.
So all of y'all gets control
Y'all can
different
play
things.
some Pac-Man.
So it's like a co-op.
I could play some Pac-Man. And I can get annoyed because I lost. And they have a seat right here. And bowling center.
It's only the green and orange.
Old school. Old school. Old school. Y'all remember when they had that on an Atari?
Defender Popeye. I ain't seen that in years.
Space Invaders. This was my very, very first video game, y'all. My very first video game I ever played. And this was my second.
These are all free apparently.
Oh, are they?
Yeah, look, price to play, 0.
And there's a football game. And this is, what is this? I don't know. Use something. This is Bust of Balloons. And this is called Snowball Toss. So I guess you gotta hit the things down. And you get tickets, and then you can win prizes with the tickets. And this is, I don't know, like 4 in a row or something. I don't know, Shipwreck it's called. And then they have the grab your cuddly toy. It's $2.17 to play that. Smile.
Yeah, where I am.
think of these are for the smaller kiddos right here. And then, not sure what this is in here, but they have like a seating area. They have a pool table. I think the teens would come in here and hang out a lot. But it's very, very noisy in here. Of course, my husband has found the free video games, so not everything you have to pay for in here. They do have free retros. And he had a... And this one is Donkey Kong. Oh, you won? You won?
I will fight for your honor.
And that is the gaming zone. So the gaming zone is right next to the observation lounge. I must say, they do have a very good espresso martini in the observation lounge.